What's going on, everyone? Misa with Misa's Mobile Detailing here again. Today, the purpose of this video is just going to be to show you what we do on a monthly maintenance. This video is going to be for you detailers that don't know how to do a monthly maintenance, or are just wondering what other people do. Also, these are going to be for my potential future clients that are gonna want to get this done on their vehicle. We're gonna show you the process that we use and the things that are gonna be included on our packages or on a monthly package. Right now, as you can see, we already did rinse of the vehicle. We cleaned the tires and rims. So that's why you see it all wet. It's not because it rained. It's actually very sunny right now. But let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy the video. After the rinse on the vehicle, we do the foam. We make sure that we spread the foam evenly throughout the whole vehicle without missing any spots. Then we start the scrubbing. We take our time, we go slow, we make sure that we get every single corner of the vehicle, and if we need to, we can go get a detailer brush that won't scratch the surface. So that's what we're doing here, just scrubbing the vehicle, taking our time. So this car is ceramic coated, so we're just doing a test spot. Well, not a test spot, just rinsing and making sure the water behavior is still on point. As you can see, it is very slick and very hydrophobic. For the drying, we usually use a leaf blower. We don't have one today, so we just used a towel, which gets the job done. It takes a little longer to dry, but gets it done. The leaf blower is more like a luxury. Then on this clip, you can see me cleaning the door jambs. As you can see, the door jambs are already clean. We keep them this clean every single month. As you can see, it's pretty much already clean. This is the first time that I touched this section. And like I said, we keep the door jambs really clean and spotless. Nothing gets messed, not even the little details that you don't even see. I know the door jambs are very visible, but some don't take care of them, but they make a big difference. Then right here, I'm showing you the equipment, but I want to tell you that the only thing that I did not record was the interior detail. We use sprayers, we use air tools, we use brushes. You can see my brother in the back doing the cleanup, but that's the only part that we miss on this. Glass gets cleaned up pretty good inside and outside. What we like to do is we use one with a wet rag, then we actually spray the window cleaner, and then we clean the window. The first pass is just to make sure that we remove all the grease, all of the debris that it's on the window, and then the second one is actually to clean it and polish it, which is what I'm doing on this clip right now. Then we wipe the rims and we apply the tire shine, making sure that those tires are looking shiny and nice. Well, there you have it. We did the outside. This has a ceramic coating that is an atom polishes, which is very surprising. But we did the outside. We put a ceramic booster every 6 months instead of a wax. We did the inside, all the windows, inside and outside, including the roof. See that beautiful reflection. Remove everything around. Everything got touched on the inside. It's two of us, so it's usually a little faster than only one person. But all the floors are clean. All the interior is clean. All of the doors, door jambs. This client pays attention a lot of on little things like this right here. Let me show you to you. So right here, it gets very dirty. I don't know if he uses the trunk a lot or the reason why it gets dirty, but right here it gets very dirty. We wiped it down and looks clean. We opened this big trunk too and we clean it up. We did the rims individually. They look freaking nice. We put conditioner around the tires. And yeah, like I said, the windows and the exterior as well. That's what our package includes. So that's what it includes. Now, every now and then, someone can spill something, you know, like let's say that they spill soda or food or something like that, we would cover it. We would cover it under the maintenance package. The only time we would charge a little bit more than usual. Look at this guy, looks really nice. Sorry about that guy. But yeah, so the only reason the only reason we would charge a little more than just the maintenance is if they went to a beach and it has a bunch of sand, or if literally that's some mess on the inside, or if someone threw up. And the reason is it just takes a little more steps to take care of. For example, if someone throws up, we need to use an M-Site cleaner, and we need to wash all of our equipment afterwards. But this is just a little overview. I'm gonna be doing a little voice over to explaining on what we're doing on each video. On this specific client, he is in an alley. So there's my brother outside right there. We have the trailer. We have to detach the trailer just because, like, as you can see, the spot right here is not too big. It might look bigger in camera than what it is. So that's why we have that here, then the client's vehicle, and then the money maker right there, the Tacoma over there. But once we're done, we come around, hook it up, and just go to the next appointment. For example, today is the last appointment of the day, so we're gonna go home and just call it a day. If you guys have any question about anything that we do, please let us know. We have more videos with the window tint coming up. We have more videos of ceramic coatings coming up, and then we have more videos of about PPF coming up. We just started getting into that with another guy at this shop in a temporary shop in Louisville. We're gonna start offering that during the summer. We're gonna eventually move right behind FC Dallas in Frisco, near downtown. So if you guys have anyone that's interested in that, let us know. Send them our way. We'll talk to them. If you guys are learning or want to learn how to do all these things, and in the future at that shop, we're gonna be offering training videos. We're gonna be giving hands-on training there. So just stay tuned, and we have a lot coming up. We have more projects in the works, and like I said, guys, I'm really thankful for the 150 something subscribers that we have. We really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to this video, to this channel, and like the video, please do so. It helps us a lot. We're just trying to grow our online presence and turn these videos into like how-tos, and just for people that are starting. We've been doing this since 2019, so we have a little bit of experience. We have some tips, tricks, and like I said, you guys can always text me. My phone number is on Google, Mrs. Mobile Detailing. You can text me, call me, say, hey, I saw your video online, and I have a question. Please feel free to do it. If you're starting a business, free advice, what we went through and everything. So if you don't know who to ask, literally anything, guys, I'm here for you guys. So that's the reason why I do these videos, to help you and just give back to the community. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any other questions, just leave it below. If you want a video that about something that you want me to address, let me know, and we'll make it happen. Stay blessed and have a great day.